Hey everyone, this is Steve with All Dogs Off-Road, and we have a very exciting video for you today. As you can see, we have some big boxes and we're going to be doing an unboxing. Now, we were able to, a couple months back, we got in contact with Black Rhino Wheels, and we started working with them, and we decided that we were going to help bring to market a new wheel option for the Nissan Frontier, Xterra, and Pathfinder. This is very exciting. Huge shout out to them for making this happen, and I'm going to be unboxing the brand new wheel for you today. Now, this wheel is already in Black Rhino's lineup, but you know, it wasn't really something that you could get in the Frontier, Xterra, Pathfinder bolt pattern. No longer. So let's get started. This wheel is a Black Rhino Stadium wheel, but they previously were either in incorrect bolt patterns or they just weren't the right size. They're available in 18s, but 18s is usually a little bit bigger than you want. So these wheels are 17 by 8.5, zero offset, stadium wheels in the Frontier, Xterra, and Pathfinder bolt patterns, which is awesome. As if you own one of those vehicles, you know for sure that it is very difficult to find good wheel options that actually look good or, you know, fit in general. Usually it's all 6 on 5.5, but thanks to Black Rhino here, we are finally able to have one more wheel option to add to the Frontier, Xterra, and Pathfinder. So we're gonna get this box up out of the way. And here we go. So in the box, comes with nothing really special. There is one box which includes the hardware that you'll need, which would be just hub-centric rings. I believe that that's everything it comes with, but let's get this baby out. So here we are. The finish, the initial thoughts is that the finish is just beautiful. It feels very nice. It's a matte black look, which I like a lot. These wheels, we were able to get them in bronze and matte black, and I believe that there was another silver option, but since I have a silver truck, I didn't really think bronze was going to look very good. Looks great on some trucks, but I just don't think it would have looked good on the on my silver Frontier, so I decided to go with the matte black. So here is the the grand reveal, I suppose. Wow. Very nice. As you can see, it has the nice rotary forged etching in it. I'll bring the camera in a little closer here so you can kind of get a better look. And there you go. There is the Black Rhino Stadium wheel. I think it looks just awesome. It almost has some reference to the old steel wheels with the cutouts in the circle. Kind of a stretch, I suppose, but I really like the look of it. It's a matte black, which is also nice. I'm not a fan of the glossed colors, and we weighed these in, and I believe that these are 24 pounds, so they're not too heavy. And center cap goes right in like that. And there we are. There is the 17 by 8.5 Black Rhino Stadium wheel in 6 by 4.5 for your Nissan Frontier, Xterra, and Pathfinder. So we actually got 5 of these, so I'm going to be throwing these onto my truck here soon, which we'll do another video for, but these are 17s and I have 18s now, so I'm just waiting on some tires to come in, and once that happens, we'll get these babies slapped on. We'll be able to get some good pictures going. So I'll turn this back up so you can see my pretty face, but a little bit more. But thank you guys so much for watching. This is very exciting for me. I'm still running OEM wheels, which I've liked for quite some time, and had never really found a wheel that caught my eye. But when a few months ago, when Black Rhino reached out to us about some wheel options, and we got into discussions with this, the Stadium is definitely a wheel that I really took a liking to. They were fantastic to work with. Great people over there, so big shout out to them, especially Matt over at Black Rhino, who really headed up this project with us. So we'll have these on the site here as soon as possible, and very excited for these. So maybe this is a good option for you guys to pick up and throw into your rig. So thanks for watching, and we'll have a video with wheels and tires coming shortly. Thanks, guys.